Qiqiaqia.com, is this clothing store true? Or a scam? Is the new trendy, affordable clothing shop everyone's talking about. Cute outfits, big discounts, fast shipping, and pictures that look straight out of Instagram or TikTok. But in 2026, with so many fake stores popping up every week, the real question is simple. Should you trust Qiqiaqia.com with your money? Or is this yet another online scam hiding behind pretty photos? Let's break it down the way it really is. When you visit the site, everything looks perfect. Clean layout, fashion-forward designs, models that look professional, and prices that honestly feel too good to be true. And that's exactly where people start to worry. Because in online shopping, the prettier the site looks and the cheaper everything is, the more cautious you should be. A lot of buyers say they discovered Qiqiaqia because of ads on social media. Beautiful dresses for $10, sweaters for under $15, shoes at half the price of other stores. But here's the problem. When deals are that big, it usually means something isn't right. People online started sharing their experiences in forums and reviews. Some say they ordered an outfit and received something completely different, cheaper fabric, different colors, wrong sizes, and clothing that looked nothing like the photos. Others say they never received anything at all, and every email they sent to customer service went unanswered. And then there are the customers who claim the store asked for extra verification, like photos of their credit card or ID, which is a massive red flag. Scam stores do that. Legit stores never do. Another thing people noticed is the product images. They either look AI-generated or stolen from bigger fashion brands. Lots of different models, different styles, and different photography styles, but all supposedly from the same store. Normally, real brands keep a consistent look. When everything feels disconnected, it usually means the photos were copied from somewhere else. And then there's the shipping. Many customers say it took over a month, and others say the tracking numbers didn't work. Some claim the package never existed in the first place. Meanwhile, a few people say they did receive something, but the quality was so low it wasn't even worth wearing. This mix of sometimes it arrives, sometimes it doesn't, is very common with risky fashion sites. There's also the business information. Qiqiaqia doesn't clearly show who owns the site, where the company is located, or any real contact info besides a basic email. No phone number, no physical address, no real customer support. And in 2026, any store that hides that much is never a good sign. People who track scam websites have pointed out that Qiqiaqia has the same patterns. Very new domain. Low trust rating, generic policies, and lots of complaints about missing orders. And when too many things line up like that, it's usually for a reason. So, is Qiqiaqia.com legit or a scam? Here's the truth. It might not be the biggest scam in the world, but it shows way too many red flags for anyone to trust it. Cheap prices, stolen photos, no real support. Slow or non-existent deliveries, and dangerous requests for personal information. That alone is enough to say this shop is not safe. My verdict. Qiqiaqia.com is not a store I recommend. There are far safer alternatives if you want affordable fashion. This site feels risky, unreliable, and inconsistent. And in 2026, with so many fake clothing stores online, you deserve better than gambling your money on a website full of warning signs. If this review helped you, comment, or share it so more people avoid getting scammed. Shopping smart means paying attention to the signs before it's too late.